Unati mpulai Kopanye lima bota ntulai Balisa wingagaiti Pai tuka She got it from her mama but It's on Hunai No diggity Two hands on my arms both feeling me Dance floor if I do us don't feeling me Location PVT stop feeling me Kukabantu babantu with the premises Hey what do they want from a nigga She said I'm a cool young nigga The best thing out of the six, but he knew John on the block. I just do a call of everything is a shock. But Dalela good in the kitchen.
Who Sims no infinite?
Fucking recap. A fucking recap. A fucking recap.
Dope battle vandaag. Young Cannibal killed it, Sims killed it.
Fresh. Slow jam.
Infinite killed it.
Nigga.
Yo, 7 battles didn't happen.
Yeah.
Out of 9 battles, 7 didn't happen. You know, that's the reason why I have a tiff with battle rap. Because majority of the card don't make it. So what's the use of me coming to see battle rap when I'm gonna see 2/3? No, not even 2/3. What do you call it? This is not even a quarter of a card. And then next time you wanna book me and I come and battle, but 90% of your card is not pitching. Yo, rapper, if you wanna take this seriously, take the sport seriously.
On the stage,
dog. I'm not gonna show up for 2 battles. I'm fine. I like this is bullshit.
There's only one guy who can bail a man.
I mean, the king has said it. He took the words out of my mouth. There's nothing I can say.
Sip and pass the calabash you got. Would have been fighting just as food catch. Was at the games to them to up. A sicko shook auntie. You can get the word. I swear we got tools auntie. Touch me and that's your top off. Gatti you pool party up. Remember ready for what I'm about to bring on. Dig out long enough for. All of y'all to sleep on. There's in Shazam. Digging for gold from dusk until dawn. Fugan get you kugu until my dogs got grills on. Shit is game over. Niggas signing out. They switch sides on this side, their life is running out. Fuck your board, meeting beats, yeah, they do it for the crowd. Chest out, no apologies, we don't hug it out. I said we here to rap, bro. I come by the name for the tap. And I always say there's time to rap, and then there's time to rap.